For this video, we'll be creating a story ad. With story ad selected, let's scroll down here to add creatives. This is where we're going to build and create the ad that our audience is going to see. And we'll be able to preview it live here on the right-hand side. Let's start by uploading our first piece of media. To upload my media, I'll start by clicking on the upload button here. And from here, I can upload my first video tile. Since I'm building a story ad, I can add in multiple tiles to my creative. And each tile is basically a piece of my story. It'll be an individual video or image that plays in sequence as my viewer taps through my story. For this ad, I'll be uploading 2 video tiles. To upload my first one, I'll just double click on it. That file will be uploaded and you'll see it appear here on the right-hand side. If you want to preview your ad, just take your mouse and hover it over the video here on the right-hand side and it'll begin playing. Now let's take a look at our attachment on the left-hand side here. It's currently set to web view, but there are a couple different options. I can choose between web view, deep link, or app install. Choose which one matches your campaign's objective the best, and in my case, this will be web view. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. Next, you can enter your website URL. I'll click on this here, and I'll simply type in my website. Now let's scroll down and check out our call to action. This is super important because it's telling your viewer what you want them to do. Right now, my call to action is currently set to view, but there are plenty of different options to choose from. For this demo ad I'm creating in this video, I'm running a dog grooming service and I'm looking to book appointments. So I'm going to go with a book now call to action. So I'll click on book now. Now I want to add in my next tile. So I'll click on add assets. Then I'll click on duplicate previous asset. So that way my call to action and website URL stay the same. Let's go ahead and click on that now. Then I'll scroll down and simply delete this media here. I'll click on upload once again. I'll click on this to navigate to the correct folder. And then I'll upload my second video tile. It will go ahead and be uploaded here. So now if I take my mouse and I hover over my video here, I can go between the 2 different tiles by using the arrows. This allows me to preview what my ad is going to look like when it's live on Snapchat. This is really helpful to make sure that your ad is appearing the exact way that you want it.